If you've plateaued in the gym, it's probably because you're not working out hard enough. When I first started working out, the first year of gains were absolutely insane. I was like PRing every time, and I put on a lot of muscle in my first year of working out. After that, I was kind of stagnant for the next 2 years. Like there was a period of 2 years where none of my lifts actually got much stronger. I kept changing my workouts and I didn't actually get bigger or stronger or look that much better in 2 years' time. I didn't start seeing progress again until the year 2025. And the reason that is because you need to progressively overload. Think about it like this. When you first start working out, right, you get the newbie gains. And everyone knows that you get newbie gains and you get a lot of gains right at the beginning when you first start working out. The reason why you get this is because your body is used to not working out. So when you start working out, there's a huge delta, right? There's a huge change between you not working out to you working out consistently. But when you're already used to working out, right? So let's say you're the kind of person who already goes to the gym consistently, and then your body gets used to it. So in order for there to be that same amount of delta, for you to build more muscle, for you to get stronger from this new baseline, you have to work even harder. Like it should be tough every single workout you go to the gym. You should be pushing yourself to failure every single time you go to the gym and actually be getting stronger somehow by either weight or by reps. Every single time you work out and every time you don't, you're not actually getting stronger. And keeping this in mind was actually what allowed me to see progress again. And a really good way for me that worked for me to do this was, previously when I worked out, when I was plateauing, I would just do 3 sets of 8 for every single exercise. And that's just what I did. I did 3 sets of 8. However, like every time I would go to the gym, I'd be stuck at the same, like I'd be at 6 and I'd be stuck at 6 every single time until I changed one thing. And the thing that I changed was I changed from doing 3 sets of 8 to doing 3 sets of 10 to 15. So I would actually lower the weight, okay? And I would try to do 3 sets of 10 first. And then on the last set, I would try to go up till 15. So I would push myself to my absolute limit, trying to get to 15, right? And then I would work my way up. So every single time I would try to get closer and closer to 15 on my last set. So I'd get to 10, 10, 15. And then eventually I'd get to 10, 15, 15. So I would work on the second set after I got to the 15. And then I would get to 15, 15, 15, and then I would raise the weight. And what that does is it changed the increments from the progressions to be so much smaller that you can realistically progress every single workout. And when I did this, I would actually see gains. And now I can lift lift heavier weights now at the gym. And now I'm building more muscle than I ever have before. Hope this helps.